Be it the smiles served with love in our food, or that silken touch gently woven in our clothes, the tires that take us the distance, or the freshness turned in that rejuvenating cup of tea. And core of it all lies the small seed. And the one who with untiring effort cultivates happiness with this seed and takes the country forward on the path of prosperity is the Indian farmers. And standing by the Indian farmers through every moment, in every toy, is the agriculture companies in India who provide solutions to help farmers optimize their production and better their livelihood. Here we are presenting the 4 P's of rural marketing mix of agri-input providers in rural India.
Rallis is known for its deep understanding of Indian agriculture, sustained contact with farmers, quality agrochemicals, branding and marketing expertise. It's a program for creating farmer relationship and have been very effective extension system with significant increases in farmers contact over 1 million farmers and productivity improvement. This program provides a holistic agro advisory wherein customized recommendations are provided by crop advisors who visit each farmer's plot. Through these programs, the company endeavored to deliver up-to-date information in the form of improved agronomic practices coupled with the efficient use of agrochemicals to improve productivity and lower cost. In order to build necessary field force competencies, the company has launched the Tata Rallis Agri Input Training Scheme initiative in 2011-12, whereby non-graduates, rural youth with a farming background are trained in agri-marketing and crop advisory activities. TRADES has helped in providing employment to and improving employability of rural unemployed youth with an agriculture background. Through this intervention, which nurtures and equips youth, opportunity is created for them in the company and elsewhere, as this kind of skill set is in demand across various organizations.
मेरे खेत में भाई साहब आए थे, उन्होंने डेमो के लिए हमको टाटा
सबमिट
दिया था
जी।
उसका हमने उपयोग किया
जी।
एक पंप दिया था डेमो के लिए हमारे
जी।
तो हमने 6-7 कैरी होगी
जी
लगभग उसमें हमने डाला, उसमें हमको अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला
जी।
As the number of competitors are more, the company follows a competitive pricing strategy for its products. The reason for this pricing strategy is because buyers have more bargaining power and can switch brands easily. Tata Chemicals also sometimes follows flexible pricing policy and gives discount on its agri-solution products like fertilizers, pesticides, etc. The company now operates in 4 continents covering Asia, Europe, Africa and North America. Rallis India, which is a subsidiary of Tata Chemicals which operates in farm product sector, has more than 2,300 distributors and about 40,000 retail shops across India, which covers more than 80% of Indian districts. Tata Chemicals also run Tata Chemical Society for Rural Development. It is a program to ensure productivity of crop and impart knowledge to farmers. Tata Chemicals also started a social program called Desh Ko Arpan to help underprivileged children in society.
किसान की है ये कहानी, अच्छी फसल बिन है परेशानी। गुम गुम तारा
रैली गोल्ड आपको देता है फसल की समृद्धि और दे बेहतरीन फायदे की सौगात।
रैली गोल्ड नए जानी फसल में रहे सभी खुशहाल जीवन में। रैली गोल्ड नए जड़ों में जान बनाए फसल को बल।
IFFCO, the Indian Farmers Fertilizers Corporation Limited. Established in 1967 with just 57 cooperative societies, IFFCO today is counted among some of the world's biggest cooperative societies with a staggering membership of merely 36,000 Indian cooperatives. IFFCO annually produces 46 lakh tons of urea and 40 lakh tons of NPK, DAP and water-soluble fertilizers. They are committed towards providing the best quality products to the farmers. IFFCO has considerable benefits for the farmers through diversification in general insurance, agrochemicals, rural retails, international trading and mobile telephony. It's the result of such efforts that today every fifth bag of urea and every third bag of complex fertilizers sold in India belongs to IFFCO. From the snow-lit valley of Leh to backwaters of Kerala, from the scorching heat of Kutch to the tender cold of Assam, IFFCO delivers its products to farmers in every corner of the country.
போகிறதுனால நல்லா பயிரெலாம் நல்லா இருக்குது, எந்த ஒரு குறம் இல்லை, நல்லா ஆலோசனைலாம் நல்லா சொல்கிறாங்க, மருந்து நல்லா சிறப்பாக வேலை செய்யுது, அதனால் நம்மளுக்கு ஈல்டும் நல்லா கூட கிடைக்குது.
It follows the price of urea fixed by the Department of Agriculture and Cooperations, which is around rupees 4,000 per ton, which is lowest amongst the neighboring countries. IFFCO's flagship programs like Save the Soil and Neem Plantation have proved to boom for the soil and the environment. Through IFFCO's Kisan Sanchar Limited, agriculture and weather-related information is provided to the farmers on their mobile phones free of cost. IFFCO's Tokyo General Insurance Company provides unique insurance products for the welfare and safety of the farmers. Cordet was established to provide farmers with training regarding agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture, and fruit preservation, etc. IFFCO's associate organization, IFFDC, works towards women empowerment, environment conservation, and seed production through its various initiatives.
IFFCO DAP, IFFCO 10 26 26, IFFCO 20 20 013 உரங்கள் எல்லாமே கணிசமான அளவு விலை குறைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. இனி குறுவை சம்பா சாகுபடி நல்லா இருக்கும். IFFCO உரங்கள் நிறைய மகசூல் கொடுக்கும். IFFCO விவசாயிகளின் நம்பிக்கை.
Farming continues to be the lifeline of the human race. With the ever-growing population, the demand for better agricultural produce is only increasing by the day to be able to meet the growing food demand. It is important that every farmer should be able to produce optimally based on his available land, but that is not happening due to many reasons. One of the main reasons affecting farm produce and farming community is pests damaging the crop, which in turn has been affecting the overall agricultural produce of the nation. Considering the growing concern and gravity of the situation, Nagarjuna for aid into crop protection in the year 1994 with a vision to contribute to farming community and make a difference in a crop protection. Nagarjuna has evolved over the years to a fully integrated company offering comprehensive crop protection solution for all crops. Apart from India, Nagarjuna export technicals and brand to many countries across the globe. Nagarjuna product range is one of the most preferred and leaders in its segment.
నాగార్జున వారి ఉత్పత్తులు అన్ని పంటలకు సంపూర్ణ రక్షణనిస్తాయి.
Nagarjuna sales and distribution network across India has enabled us to reach farmers across the nation, and we continue to contribute towards the growth stories of the farming community.
नागार्जुना क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन में मार्केट लीडर है. हमारे पास उनका काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रांड वैल्यू है. हमारे एरिया में एक नागार्जुना कंपनी के फार्मर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम चालू रहते हैं. और सेफ्टी के बारे में बताया जाता है कि कैसा पेस्टिसाइड यूज़ करना चाहिए, कैसा नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या क्या ख्याल रखना चाहिए। इससे काफ़ी फार्मर को फ़ायदा होता है।
There are many ways to price a product. At initial phase, the company has to focus on a dealer's or distributor's margin. The pricing policies or strategy vary in various situations. In case of Nagarjuna Fertilizers industry, they have priced their product at a very proper and convenient way, and they also come up with new product as possible.
मेरे खेतों में नागार्जुना कंपनी के प्रतिनिधि हमेशा आते रहते हैं और इनके मार्गदर्शन से हमको खेतों में उपज में बहुत फायदा हुआ है।
Coming on to the conclusion, today fertilizers and pesticides are the lifesaver for farmers. It is the reason behind the millions of smiles, the reason for hope. Moreover, it is the assurance that gives every farmer the power to dream.